sticky mount?
Yes.
Do you have the sticky mount?
Yes.
Oh, we should go race people with my progressive car, and then we can film it.
We are on a closed course in Mexico.
We're in office in New Mexico. We're illegal street racing.
What the fuck was he racing?
The 240?
No, the 240. What was he racing?
A Lancer?
Wonder if that's David.
Baggio? David Baggio? David Baggio! I yell cops real loud. Why not?
Everyone will get mad at you.
Cox! Robbie's so fat and overweight. Unhealthy. Diabetes! Is that loud?
A little bit.
Diabetes!
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 Where's that stupid?
What's his name? Wilford what?
Wilford Brimley.
Wilford Brimley! Diabetes! My name's Robbie!
5 foot fat man!
Oh, 5 foot fat man! Aaron! Yell 5 foot fat man! Now yell diabetes! Hey! Now yell death at 5th foot! Yell death at 47! Yell death at 47!
Yes!
37! Yeah, yell it!
Death at 37!
Clogged arteries! Say it!
Clogged artery!
Say coronary artery disease.
Say coronary artery disease!
Coronary artery disease.
Coronary artery disease! Go, Aaron, go!